Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So basically this is my mom's channel and I'm quite interested in cooking today. So today, all kids like this dish, so I'm gonna be making chocolate lava bread. So first we're gonna need some bread and some sprinkles. I choose rainbow sprinkles and you can choose whatever you want. And some chocolate, and it must be plain milk chocolate. It shouldn't have any hazelnuts or caramel inside it because it's not gonna melt well. And some chocolate syrup, which I love. Okay, so let's move on to the process. Let's go. And in case you don't have cutter to use to cut the bread, you can use a glass with a sharp edge and it must be round. And you have to get the perfect circle. So just put that on the bread and slightly press on the top. And give it a nice circle. Okay, and then just pick up edges gently. And there we go. A round perfect circle. Okay, here's our next first. The perfect round. Gently. Just keep that safe. And if it doesn't come on the first try, it's fine because it happened to me as well. So there we go. It got stuck in the glass. How did I pull this thing out? Finally. Very good. Okay, had some technical difficulties, so okay, we don't need you. Okay, now take the bread which you cut in the round shape. It should be like this. Now take one slice. Now you have to press it all the sides very thinly, evenly. And don't press it too hard, otherwise it's gonna get too thin and it'll start breaking. And you have to use fresh bread, otherwise it's not gonna work at all. Because I tried this before and it was not fresh bread and started crumbling and breaking. So, okay. Now once you're completely pressed at the edges as well, it just completely look like this. And you can work with whatever bread you have. So now, take a piece of the chocolate I showed you earlier and keep it over here at the sides. Not too much, but not in the middle as well. Now let the bread at the sides all the way. Try to wet it nicely, otherwise it's not gonna stick. And press it down a notch. Like that. All the way on the sides. And now you have to, it should be like this. Now gently push the bread this side. Okay, now push the bread this side and it should be like this. And take some more water and gently press it down. We don't want the chocolate to break or come outside the bread. So gently press down, and if it's not sticking, you can take a fork and just lightly tap it there. You don't want holes, otherwise your chocolate is gonna melt out. Like that. So pretty. And just press it there, both the sides, so that it'll stay down. And you should keep the edges very clean. Shouldn't have like these parts, okay? It's not gonna turn out good. Or if it's too much bread at the sides, you can just cut it off, or you can just adjust it like this. It'll be good. Okay, let's move on to the next one. And just make some more. So I'm gonna put that there. There we go. I'm just gonna show it again. Just press it down all the way around the edges. and at the back as well. And take a piece of chocolate, keep it at the sides. Or if it's too tough for you, you can just measure it up like this and bread nicely flattened. Take a piece of chocolate and put it at the edge and wet the bread with some water. And the water shouldn't be too cold or too hot. It should be normal. Just press it down there. There we go. Nicely over there. And my chocolate cake. And gently press it down a notch. Make sure your chocolate doesn't break. I'll just try that again. A bit too hard here. And let it there. And there as well. Press it at the sides. At the back. Fork with the rescue. Now, gently press it down. So let the fork a bit. Or you could even have a nice design with this, you know, like a lines on the side of the bread, better than plain. But you gotta be careful because you don't want any holes in the side of your bread. So that is the other side as well. Our bread is ready. So this is the shape. It should be like this. And it's very pretty. Okay. So I prepared some more. I'm just going to show you all that as well. Okay. I'll keep that there. And I made 6 of them. That's pretty much enough for me. Okay. And now we're gonna fry these so that the chocolate might melt there inside and you get the nice lava. Okay, so let's fry. Let's go. Now heat your pan and make sure it's in low flame. Add in 1 spoon of butter. There we go. And let the butter melt for a while. There. Okay, so my butter has melted and now slowly place your bread. There. And let your bread fry for a while. And it's been 2 minutes, so I'm just gonna keep that. Oh wow. Okay, and let it fry for at least until it becomes a golden brown color. Oops. Okay, so put it in low flame and fry for at least 2 minutes until it becomes golden brown. Okay, so it's been actually golden brown fried, so I'm gonna get them out. There. Okay, so my bread has fried really nicely, so I'm just gonna be doing the plating. I like a nice simple one, which looks very pretty. Bring that down. There we go. Okay, so it's done. Now take your chocolate syrup. You can use any one. You can use chocolate or maple. Maple is better actually, but I do like this one. Okay, so I'm gonna drizzle some chocolate syrup on top. Okay, now take your sprinkles and just put them on top. Okay, so it's ready and they look pretty good. Let's cook. Okay, so it's looking pretty good and I'm just going to break one and show you. Okay. Wow. Okay guys, so it looks pretty good. I'm just gonna have a bite. Bon appetit. It's pretty good. I like it. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and like this video. And make sure you comment down below how you think. And make sure you share it too. Until then, bye!